Guitar. Today I'm going to make a scrambled eggs. The ingredients are some eggs, some water, some oil, some ketchup, some soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. Firstly, crack the egg into a bowl. And then add a pinch of oyster sauce and add a pinch of soy sauce into a bowl. And then I will add some water because it will make it softer. Beat the eggs until it's mixed. Now heat a non-stick skillet into a medium heat. Next, add a small amount of oil into a skillet. Next, pour a beaten egg into the skillet. Let the egg cook for a few minutes. Use a spatula to gently stir and fold and roll the egg. Next, remove the heat and serve immediately. Next, I will add some ketchup. Enjoy!